How to fix Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to right click the game in your library and then go to installed files and verify the game files by clicking this button here and wait for it to finish checking. And once it's done, you want to go back to the general tab, and inside the launch options box you want to type -dx11 command like this, and then you can close out of this window and close Steam. Now you will need to open up your browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table here, and then you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 versions of the redistributables, both of them. And once you finish installing them and before restarting your computer, you might also need to check that you have the latest GPU update. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need NVIDIA app installed, and then you can go to the drivers tab here, select Game Ready driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest update available. And then you can proceed to restart your computer. And now after the restart, you will need to run Steam as admin by right-clicking on Steam and run as admin. And then you can open up the game again, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you.